Oh, wait, hold on. Hello? Hello?
Hi.
Are you awake?
Yeah, are you ready to?
I'm in the front.
I didn't hear you.
What?
Oh no, I'm okay, she's almost ready.
Okay. So the story is Sue wasn't coming out and I texted her at like 8:20 saying I'm here, like are you gonna come out, and she didn't text me, so I thought she was asleep, but she just called me and I'm gonna go to class, go to another class, leave. Oh! Oh my god, matching with that girl! What number bus? 171. Here. Where are you? Okay. Like, we're so Asian. We brought so many snacks with us. Like grapes, water, all the candies from Halloween. Like, this whole bag is filled with snacks. Yay!
Yeah. It's you and I, you and I, you and I. Let's get lifted and meet in the sky. Fuck a keyboard, a girl, you're my type. Shoot a movie all night. Cruising in a drop top, got show me your dark dogs. We some kung fu masters, kicking it, kicking it. Hotter than sriracha, fancy like a lobster. So you fully stocked up, sipping it, yeah. Look at the time we shining. Ben Bala did I change? They call me King, your highness. Don't fuck on my feng shui. Baby girl, let's run away. Bali Jeju in a day. Lord, please just keep us safe for the blind. Taking off, we taking off, taking off. These haters hating, we shake it off, shake it off. We breaking bread, break it off, break it off. We popping tags, we don't care the cost.
So we arrived at LA. Look at that building. Oh, can you even see the building? Look at that building. Yeah, Sue's right here taking pictures. Hi. we're walking to Novo now. We're kind of lost for like 2 minutes. 2 minutes, because we were going the wrong way, but we're going the right way now. So yay! So excited to see J Park. We found it, Novo. Hi.
Oh, you're recording.
Yeah.
I didn't even
It's so blue, look.
Is y'all ready to turn up and have a motherfucking party? Drop that shit.
Greg on this bean, Greg on this bean, Greg on this.
남자들이 돈 주고 가는 파리의 시간에 사는 중이라 전에 말이 개공공의 시간 두근데 나도 초심이 내 시간 You don't need a ride home, cause I got you tonight. It's unforgettable. Baby, I just can't get enough. I'll make you feel so your lips and let me call you mama. 너와 함께라면 즐거워. 난 네가 필요해. 우리 서로 알아듣지 못해 baby 대화가 필요해 지금 우린 포스티할 때 그녀는 항상 baby 알고 싶어 너의 여권이 어떤 색깔인지 넌 어디서 왔니 너의 몸매는 you all over the place Let's kick it with you Let's kick it A little bit of drinking and a little bit of kissing Ain't she gon' want it 1 or 2 Yeah, he be spinning this shit They pop that pussy, it be purring like a Yeah boy
나도 말해 편하게 너의 옆자리를 상상할 거고 그곳에는 내가 있게 될 거야 그리고 너에 대해 장담하는 내 모습
Scream for me one time, come on Let's go I should buy a high just to take you on it Wanna take you around the town just to watch you floating You're so pleasing to the eye, I'm just being honest For you, I'm not a good old empty on my pockets I feel like you're my dog You're so high, baby, work, girl, work I'm when you're not, girl, you know I do This is so good You got me like, ooh You got me like, ooh You got me like, ooh You got me like, it's the end of the day, all my bill paid, so we bout to get lit off that. It's the end of the day, all my bill paid, so we bout to get lit. Look, pour me on the shot, we don't need no rock, sing it, K, down, bust it, K, down, bust it, what, K, bust it, K, down. Cocaine belly, I don't ever even drive it. Supermodels messing me, I ain't even inside it. Oriental video, man, she looking so exotic. Come and show you bottles, tell you it's gon' be a pilot. Bust it down, bust it down. 새벽 시간만 되면 네가 계속 생각나. We do it properly. Hold on, wait a minute now. What you want? What? Sing it with me. Hey. What? Hey. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, let me see it right there. I just performed for 2 fucking hours and that's what you came to see? Jesus. That's what I came to do anyway, so fuck it. Thank you, man. I appreciate y'all, man. It's been a while, you know, so it's good to just, you know, see everybody here and perform for you guys. And I just want to let y'all know that LA is sexy forever, man. We gon' be sexy forever. For real though, LA, you gon' be sexy forever. Sing it. 1, 2, I'ma be sexy forever. We gon' be sexy forever. I'ma be sexy forever. They might say hi, and I might say hey. You shouldn't. Oh, sing it. They might say hi, and I might say hey. But you shouldn't worry about what they say, 'cause they got nothing on you. We gon' say, hey, like this, come on, sing it. It's your birthday. Celebrate, yeah. It's your birthday, baby. What we gonna do, we gon' celebrate, yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2. Hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up. The water. Second floor, nothing on that. Water. You got me like, ooh. It's AOMG, hoodie. time for Hoodie. Make sure you check out our album Departure. It's great. LA, y'all having fun? Can we perform a few more songs for you? Perfect position. I wanna feel your energy, yeah, that is my mission. Moving around this furniture, the neighbors can listen. You're thicker than a plot in the thriller suspense film, yeah. Look at me on my way, so don't forget the feng shui. Look at me on my way, so don't forget the feng shui. Look at me on my way, so don't forget the feng shui. Of the feng shui, yeah. Look at me on my way, so don't forget the feng shui. Look at me on my way, so don't forget the feng shui. Look at me on my way, so don't forget the feng shui. Of the feng shui, ooh, yeah. Ooh, ooh, you fucking up my feng shui. I'm too fly to stress. They never tell me no. All I hear is yes. Any money, mo. Tell her you was next. I'll walk you out the door. Yes, I'm a gentleman. Don't bring no hate around me. Keep that shit on your IG. Only the red around me. No need no catch your body. You talking crazy, rearrange you like it's Tetris, boy. The kids who might just turn your cabbage into lettuce, boy. The homies might just turn your minutes into seconds, boy. I'm just playing, you can loosen up that tension, boy. We focus, make it magic like it's hocus pocus. They taking notice. Ooh, I'm just me, the motherfucker that they pay to see. Yeah, they sleeping on the town, it's a rude awakening. I'm just me, the motherfucker that they pay to see. Yeah, they sleeping on the town, it's a rude awakening.